Hello guys, good afternoon. Meron akong gustong i-address na question from our subscriber. Ito, yung question niya kung ano yung thoughts ko about the Core CVT. Kasi itong unit ko is Core manual transmission ito eh. This is the lowest variant. But yung next is yung Core CVT or yung automatic. So for me lang, if you have extra budget, I would go to CVT style. Yung Core CVT is maraming hindi included or wala sa Core CVT na meron ng MT at saka yung style. Number one talaga na hinahanap ko sa kotse is itong infotainment or itong reverse camera and yung sensors. Maliban na lang kung yung Core CVT Plus meron siyang infotainment, but if you are choosing between base model na Core CVT, I would choose the style kasi meron na siyang sunroof and infotainment and then yung leather seats and the sensors. So ayan, in my opinion, I would go to CVT style. But I love manual transmission cars kaya manual yung napili ko. So that's it. I hope nasagot ko yung question mo, sir. Thank you for subscribing and supporting my channel. I'll see you on the road if you already got your MG5. God bless, stay safe, drive safe.